Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with FreshBooks for customer records. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with FreshBooks, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for FreshBooks and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will be taken to a registration page. Here, you will need to enter your email address. Choose a strong password for your new account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. Fill in your business name in the specified field. Provide your first and last name where prompted. After that, enter your phone number for account recovery and support. Review the terms of service and privacy policy by clicking on the respective links. If you agree to the terms, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You may receive a verification email shortly after registering. Open your email inbox and locate the message from FreshBooks. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once you've verified your email, return to the FreshBooks login page. Enter your registered email and password to log in. After logging in, you'll be guided through setting up your customer records. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your business profile. You can now begin adding customer records to your FreshBooks account. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with FreshBooks for customer records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.